वृक्ष लगाएं, धरती माँ का कर्ज चुकाएं, धरती माँ का कर्ज चुकाएं, वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष। हरी हरी हरी
There shall be showers of blessing. This is the promise of love.
Through electricity. So this way we continued our journey. In between the children's park, big signboards which appeared on the International Magazine of Lions. So this way we conducted many activities, and today we are entering into the 31st year of Lionism under the dynamic leadership of Lion Utpalji Chakravarti. And for that, our chief guest for today's function is none other than all the Lion members of Shara, none other than our own Albedo, MJF and Albedo. With this opening remark,
We declare our unflinching loyalty to our national flag and maintain that its course shall be our course, and that each individual amongst us shall make genuine efforts to add to its lustre and glory, and make it fly proudly aloft in the community of nations.
Good morning and welcome to this beautiful venue. So worthy chief guest of our 31st installation ceremony and president of Helping Hands of Chorao, Engineer Jai Krishna Tilve, beloved second Vice District Governor and today's installing officer PMJF Lion Arle Birto, Region Chairperson MJF Lion E. Agnello, Zone Chairperson Lion Garetti, other dignitaries on the dais, in the audience, fellow Lions, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of all the members of Lions Club of Chodan, I extend a very warm welcome to each one of you. We are glad and happy to have Engineer Mr. Jai Krishna Tilve as our chief guest to witness our 31st installation ceremony of the Board of Directors and subsequently work together hand in hand to make Chorao a beautiful place. Our club congratulates PMJF Lion Arle Brito on being elected as our second Vice District Governor and are proud to have you as our installing officer of our 31st Board of Directors. A very warm welcome to you, sir. Visiting Lions and our invited guest, a warm welcome to you all, and also wish to express our gratitude to you for honoring our invitation and for being a part of our 31st installation ceremony. Even though we were restricted in the lockdown during this pandemic, club has done its best to meet with the international programs as well as the district programs. Our secretary will be presenting the report of main activities in brief. I feel honored to report that every event organized by our club has created an impact on our society in Chodan. And I can proudly say that every resident of Chodan recognizes the presence of our organization. The image of Lionism has been elevated by the services rendered by our members. Here, I want to express my sincere gratitude to every member of our club and their families for culture of excellence shown in every activity. Once again, I extend a very warm welcome to each one of you and hope you will enjoy the installation ceremony, fellowship and lunch with us. Thank you.
Lion Utpal, dignitaries on the dais, in the audience, ladies and gentlemen. Here I present before you a brief activity report for 2021. Club President Lion Utpal and team for Lionistic year 2020-2021 was installed by former Region Chairperson Lion Ashok Desai at Panjim, Gymkhana. Club observed Vanamotsav by planting more than 100 fruit-bearing saplings. Project Chairperson MGF Lion Daryl Fernandez. Club distributed ration to 25 families as a part of food grains assistance during the pandemic. Club distributed Ganesh Utsav hampers to 6 needy families of Shorround. Donated sanitizing stand for 5 liters gallon of sanitizer to senior citizens daycare center, 2 churches and 2 temples. IPP Lion Santosh Gaikwad offered online free services to the residents of Shorround for renewal of DDSSY health card and other government schemes. Club arranged sponsorship for 12 months provision of everyday milk powder for 23 inmates of an orphanage at the rate of Rs 3,500 per month, which comes to annually 42,000. Club President Lion Utpal Chakravarti sponsored lunch for the 25 inmates of Shorround Old Age Home. Our club jointly with Shorround Senior Citizen Cell organized awareness talk on COVID-19 by Dr. Sushi at Shorround for senior citizens. On the occasion, MGF Lion E. Apnelo also addressed the senior citizens on health discipline. Club distributed Christmas hampers to 6 needy families of Shorround. Our zone chairperson, Lion Roman Savekar, visited our club, and on the occasion, club felicitated 2 eminent local teachers at his hands. In a unique gesture, the project chairperson for ZC visit, Lion Milind Mahale, appreciated all our club members and also visiting lions for their participation with a token of love at the hands of our zone chairperson. Our region chairperson, MGF Lion Sridhar Naik, visited our club and addressed the club on district directives. On the occasion, the club honored all the club lion ladies as an annual activity at the hands of our region chairperson. Also, a motivational talk to club lion ladies was delivered by eminent retired teacher Mrs. Esperance Rodriguez from Shorround. The project chairperson for RC visit was PMJF Lion Anthony Salvador Fernandez. On the occasion of visit to our district governor, we escorted him to our prominent signboard at Madal Ferry. Then we proceeded to one of the Lions bus shelter in the village. Then we escorted our DG to another permanent project, that is Lions Children's Park, dedicated to our charter president, late Lion Kashinath Mahale. At the hands of our district governor, our club honored 5 charter members for their 30 years long service to the community. We also honored 3 senior citizens and COVID-19 frontline warriors. As we were unable to visit the old age home with our district governor due to COVID-19 restrictions, club raised funds for their home and handed over a check of Rs 25,000 during the charter night function. Our club is very grateful to Mrs. Alka Khanolkar, daughter of our charter president, late Kashinath Mahale, who has pledged Rs 50,000 plus for the upgradation of our children's park at South Village. Our club is operating this Lions Daycare Center for senior citizens for the last 4 years in collaboration with Senior Citizens Cell of Shorround under the UMID scheme offered by Government of Goa. Our charter member, PMGF Lion Salvador Fernandez, has adopted a student, grandson of our ex-charter member for his entire educational expenses. District and international dues were paid in advance. Our club, in association with Helping Hands of Shorrock, had organized talk on Anand Ashram at this venue itself. In this COVID-19 situation, we might have not been able to do collective services, but all our members have reached out individually by various means to the needy from time to time throughout the year, for which we salute our members for their generous individual commitment. Thank you.
Thank you, Lion Maria, for your brief report, very systematic and point-wise.
And Milin, in fact, you have introduced me first to the guests, then I introduced and performed the pleasant task which has been given to me by the Lions Club. Presiding officer, Lion Utpal, our great friend, coming up president, governor, and all zone chairperson, then Gorati, region chairperson, a very good friend, and Agnello, and of course the chief guest. This has been given a pleasant task to me. And friends, I don't know much about the chief guest, but I knew his father very well. I would like to share an incident which has happened to me along with his father. And actually it was a lesson learned by me, which has been cherished in my long government officer's career. It was somewhere in 1972 when I was studying law, LLB, after finishing my graduation. And the classes were in the morning. So we had a lot of time during the day. And I came across to a greatest gentleman at that time, Mr. Anthony D'Souza, who was the minister. And somehow he liked me and he said, "Now why don't you spend your time in my office?" I said, "Sir, free of charge." No, I am going to pay you. And he made me to sit in his office. Of course, I was temporary. Then I had a passion for cricket and I used to go to Gymkhana. And Gymkhana, then the great chief minister, Bhavu Bhanodkar, used to come every evening. And our task, we were boys, just to bowl in. And then if some wrong ball, we used to get admonition also. So he knew me very well on Gymkhana ground. So it so happened that I was sitting in Anthony D'Souza's office, and one morning, Anthony D'Souza came and called me and said, "Look here, officer on special duty is not there, you are in charge of the office. Don't allow anyone inside, I am drafting something important." So I thought that, oh my, I am a big boss, you say. And it so happened that I received a call, said, "Minister Sarek, Nare, tu kon kar?" Then I realized the voice was very familiar. Di Mahavatar. Then I realized it was Bhavu Bhanodkar. So I immediately gave inside. After some time, minister called me inside. "Tu kide ulelo na?" "Bhavu, working na time." "I'm so sorry." So I thought that I am losing that job, whatever. Who came to tell me that his father, Anil, there were two very handsome people who were entering every day in secretary. One is Bhavu Bhanodkar, another is father, very handsome, tall, very fair, and he was a special person. So he came. I said, "Anil, I did not know, I was not connected to Shorrock. So we entered in the chamber of chief minister, and you must have seen, I don't know, nobody is all very young. He was like a tiger, very fair, and his eyes were like this, you see. And he looked at me and looked at Anil. Anil was saying, "Tu anga kide karta rahe na? Tu kide asa te grana che anga kide ala ka mal." Then Anil said, "Tot to tumka vichar kare. Are kora to koni seriously gala ka mal." And then what I followed in my life every time. And Babu said, "Dusra hotel kon phanache uleta te kenna kena koy na." So you should be respectful. तशें उलोवप पाहिजे न्ही. तूं कितें उलयलो तुका खबर आसा. सर म्हणलें म्हाका खबर ना. So remember in the life that whenever you speak with someone on phone, be courteous first. So that is what the lesson I learned. And thereafter I came here as a son-in-law, and Anil was always very close to me. I did not know his son, but I am lucky now to introduce him. So friends, here none other than Mr. Jayakishan Eve is there. He is an engineer by profession, civil engineer, and he worked abroad for a long time. After coming down here, he joined Sports Authority as assistant engineer, and today he is holding a very important post as an executive engineer in the Sports Authority since 2017. He liked farming, very much fond of farming, and also plays good football. He's a good football player. And most important, which is just like we Lions, he just loves to interact with the people around and try to solve their difficulties as far as possible with these parameters. And he is happily married to Mrs. Preeti and blessed with two beautiful children. He has came with the name of his son also Anil. So Anil is reborn. And Avani. His mother is a retired teacher, and Anil was, about whom I spoke so much, was a police inspector, very handsome, tall, very fair man. I here introduce you Chief Guest. Thank you so much.
Is Executive Engineer Mr. Jayakishan Tilvi from Director of Sports, and I remember for Ashok Region Conference, the Chief Guest for Director of Sports, Mr. Desai, V.D. Desai, Mr. Desai. Okay. So there is a coincidence. When Ashok invited the guest from Director of Sports, we also invited the guest from Director of Sports today, and the introducer is Ashok Desai. So with this introduction, we know who is Mr. Tilve and his work. As Ryan also said, very correct, very rightly, that he is a lover of farming. I see even after coming from office hours, 6 o'clock, he immediately changes his official clothes and becomes a farmer and learns to do farming in his own field. That's the way he works in farming. And friends, we have our own member, very close to our family, who is the second Vice District Governor today. Last year, when he visited our club as a guest, we welcomed him as a future District Governor, and the words came through. So soon he will become a District Governor in 2 years. And we got a very good dynamic line who has been invited by many members during the district conferences to second the candidature. None other than our own member, very dynamic, like Daryl Fernandez, who has a beautiful place called Vibha Soram at Malay. We are going to meet as soon, maybe after a few years. Right now, we have given that place to some other yoga activities where such type of functions are not allowed. So we have to stick to our Lions House only. So may I request our Lion, MGF Lion Daryl Fernandez, to introduce our installation officer to the guest.
Presiding officer, President of the Lions Club of Sharaun, dignitaries on the dais, in the audience, and my dear friends. Thank you, Milind, for the mini introduction of mine, and Viva Sharaun as well. Sometimes you get biodatas that are in 16 font on one A4. Sometimes you get 12 size font with double spacing. This is a full A4 with no spacing and only 10 font. I am honored and glad to be given the opportunity to introduce this personality. A personality who is as tall and majestic, or rather his name is as tall and majestic as he is. Progressive Melvin Jones Fellow,
Lion Jose Francisco Earl de Souza Brito. Now you know why I said majestic and tall personality. He was born on 5th December. The coincidence of having a civil engineer on this chair does not end, because the induction officer is also a civil engineer by education, a businessman by profession. Sir, if you give me the, what I would say, give me the liberty to skip and say, thank you. He has been an able compare, which is wrong. He is a master compare and master of ceremonies, and we have all witnessed that, and who is much sought after for his event management skills. He has been a keen exponent of quizzing and general knowledge competitions till date, and also a pro hobbyist photographer with special interest in birding and wildlife photography. My entire life in this world, he is those many years into Lionism, and he is still not old. That many years. He joined Lionism in 1986 as charter president of Leo Club of Kandolim, and then he was unfit to be part of that club. When you say unfit, you are either too bad or too good. In this case, he was too good. So therefore, he was transferred to Lions Club of Kandolim. He, needless to say, he has served in all capacities of the club, all capacities of the district. He has been awarded while he was in all chairs in the club, in the district, in the multiple times. He has been adjudged as, like I said, best president, best cabinet secretary, best zone chairperson, best district chairperson in the district, and multiple, and I will add multiple times. The last paragraph actually encapsulates the greatness and the breed of this man. When I say breed, what is not written here, and I especially use this word because he is, I don't know, but was also someone who owned and bred one of the best breeds or pedigree of Rottweilers in Goa. And we were lucky in our house to have one puppy from his kennel. I will read this paragraph because this last paragraph actually encapsulates how great he is. Married to Lion Glenda, who is here with us, a past national level sports person, also a former Leo and past 100% president of the club. Elder son Leo Emir, a national level sprinter, is the charter president of Leo Club of Kandolim 3, who shares his birthday with Lions Club founder Melvin Jones. Younger son Leo Gareth is an alumnus of the world famous Krishnamurti Foundation's Rishi Valley School, Madanapalli. His father, Lion Francisco, was a charter member, and mother, Lion Melba, was a past 100% president, all serving the Lions Club of Kandolim. The Brito family donated the land on which was built the first club house in Goa, the Lions Socio-Recreational Center Clubhouse in 1986. Yes. This is how great this man is. This is how great his legacy and the breed is, if I could say. Some leaders, as they say, some leaders become leaders. Through your journey of life, through things that you do, some leaders become leaders. Some leaders are made leaders. Some situations and something or the other lands you into that chair, and you're made a leader. This is what you literally call a born leader. Thank you for this opportunity. long time ago when I was very young into Lionism and when I knew you, I told my mom, I said, this is one man who I see, this should be what a district governor should be. And last year when you came, I was so happy to wish you, and you are here as our district governor. Almost, that does not matter. I hope, wish and pray, and I genuinely mean this, that you will one day, not too long from now, be here amongst us as our international president. It will be an honor, and I really don't think that is asking for too much. What do you all think? No or yes?
Yes.
We are the first to endorse you. Thank you, Lionel, and God bless you in all that you do. And thank you for coming here, Lion Glenda, and thank you for this honor. Thank you.
Dignitaries on the dais, in the audience, and my dear friends. Sometimes when a friend comes to introduce you, it is the worst thing that can happen, because he knows things about you that nobody else does. And what Darrell did today is he actually opened the floodgates for me on the dais. This is the second time in the last 5 months that I am seeing tears of joy. The last was on the 17th of April in Murudeshwar, when your charter member, Lion Salu, was there. He came specially to Murudeshwar because I was a candidate, and he shed tears of joy the prior evening with me. And today again, I am shedding tears of joy because of that connection that I have with the Lions Club of Chodan. As Milinda said, this is a home club for me. More than anything else, it's a home club for me. And it gives me the immense pleasure of being here with all of you this morning. And for that, let me thank Milind, Darrell, of course, who is a personal friend, and who, when I came here with the district governor, when he paid his official visit, when we went up to Vivasharao, Darrell told me very categorically that 14 years ago when I joined Lionism, I told Mom at that time that I want to see this person as a governor. And since you are a candidate, half of my wish is already fulfilled. I know it's not going to stop you. Nobody can. So you are going to be our governor in the next few months. And Darrell, my heartfelt thanks for the most touching introduction ever. I will hold it in my heart ever. And as Milind said, he is somebody who everybody invites to second him. He's already seconded me in front of my people here. Thank you very much, and thank you to all of the Lions of Chodan for being with me so strongly. Friends, there was a young boy who took his dog, he had a retriever, and took his dog to the nearby river every day to practice retrieving. And generally what we use retrievers for is when we go out hunting for ducks or birds, you generally send the retriever out and bring your shot back. And this boy took his dog for a year. He had a little puppy and he bred him and took him out every day to teach him how to bring back what he has shot. And when the duck season opened, he went there on the first day with his gun, saw a flock of ducks flying in, and took careful aim, took a couple of shots, both didn't get one, but the third shot hit a duck and the duck fell in the middle of the lake. And he asked his retriever to bring the duck back. Lo and behold, something miraculous happened. What he taught the dog a long time, that is to swim and retrieve the item back, he saw the dog suddenly run on the water. Miraculously run on the water, go pick the duck and bring it back. He knew nobody would believe him if he told them that this is what his dog did. So he went back, told his neighbor, who was also a hunter, join me tomorrow. Why don't you come with me? There are lots of ducks coming in from that direction. I will take you there and let's hunt tomorrow. His neighbor very readily agreed. They went off the next morning and they shot a duck. To which he told his dog, go and fetch. The dog ran across on top of the water again, picked the duck up and brought it back. He was overjoyed. He knew now that his neighbor had also seen what had happened. So jubilantly he turned to his neighbor and he asked him, what do you think? What do you think about this? What did you see? He says, now that you've asked me, I didn't want to make a mention of it. But your dog doesn't know how to swim. Friends, this is the problem that we face. Whether it is in Lionism or whether it is sometimes in our personal spheres. We do not like to give people credit where it is due. Or sometimes, when we do not rise up to the stature of the person that we need to give credit to, we put them down. We see this very often in Lionism. But what I can say in terms of the Lions Club of Shorround, that is not there for sure. But what I want to make a point of here is that this club has done phenomenally well during the pandemic. All of us had thought that the pandemic is going to be a situation where we won't be able to do anything. But Lions have proved everybody wrong universally, because during the pandemic, despite the lockdowns, despite the problems wherein people were scared to go out, they've still gone out and served openly, which is exactly what our international president is asking us to do. Service from the heart is what Douglas Davy Alexander is asking us to do for this year. So before I install the board, I'd like that all of our lions here, especially the wonderful lions of the Lions Club of Shorround, take it upon yourself to serve from the heart as you have always done for the last 30 years since this club was formed. Without going any further, let me now call on the directors, Lion Connie Ramos, Lion Pandurang Gamkar, Lion John Fernandez, and your region chairperson, Melvin Jones fellow Lion, Ezekiel Agnel Silva. I think Agnel is the only one. Physically, you should stay here. No one. You don't need to go anywhere. Agnel, you know, as a director, you are somebody who's been in Lionism for a very long time. And you know that it is your job to advise the president on what needs to be and needs not to be done. Also, you need to decide what the future course of the club is going to be. Without the board of directors actually deciding on anything and approving it, the president cannot take a decision. Utpal, you should know that as well, because the president is there. You are the chief CEO of the club. You are the chief executive officer, but you cannot do anything without your board of directors approval. So this is very important. Agnel, I know you will do the best that you can. And you will also give direction to the other directors to do the same. Thank you. Thank you. We have with us as the tail twister Lion G. Agnel D'Souza. He is sitting here. He was already directing things as they were happening here. And that is what the tail twister does in any case. If there is ever a situation in a meeting when there is some kind of a story that has to be closed, he does it. And he also maintains humor and happiness in every meeting. Lion G. Agnel, I've been to your house, I've had tea and and Alia Belle there when Governor visited, and I'm hoping to come there again soon. But but will you also carry on with your task as the tail twister to the best manner possible, sir?
Yes, I will get it.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Your lion tamer is Lion Erica Vaz. Is she? Oh, wonderful. She's here. Erica, I saw you when the governor came in here and we had a chat as well. Your job is going to be to maintain this club. You will maintain all of the belongings of the Lions Club, which include the Government Gable, the flag, all of the books. You will see to it that you are present pretty early and you will welcome people when they come in for meetings and you will make them feel welcome. Will you do that? Thank you so much, Erika. Thank you so much. Club Marketing and Communications Chapter, thank you, Erika, is our very old friend, Lion Ashok Desai, Baoji of Shodan. Lion Ashok, you know what needs to be done. You are a former RC. You are somebody who has got so much of experience beneath your belt. Your job will be to market Lionism, not just in your community, but as far as wide as possible. You've already committed to me about a lot of things that we are going to be doing soon in terms of marketing Lionism. But will you do this in the best manner possible to your club? Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Please take your seat. The club service chairperson is Melvin Jones fellow Lion Daryl Fernandez. Daryl, where are you? Immediately there. Daryl, service is in your blood. It runs with your family and it is nothing that needs to be educated to you about. You will see to it that the club does the most meaningful service and what is need-based in the society. Will you do this in the best way possible?
Yes, I will.
Thank you so much, Daryl. The club LCIF coordinator is our very old friend of the district. Friends, I must make a mention here. In 1985, when I was campaigning with Lion Dominic for the first time, we came to Shorround and we met the doyen of Lions Club of Shorround, Lion Anthony Salvador Fernandez. And we asked him for his assistance in getting Dominic elected at that year. He was one person in the entire district who turned around and told us, I have committed to Lion John Noronha. Lion Zit, we have committed to him, and once we give a commitment, we don't back down. I wish all our lions were like this. We would not have had the election fiascos that we do today. He was absolutely blatantly clear, and he told us, I am with you all next year onwards. Dominic lost again. He lost that year. So did John, unfortunately. He lost again the next year. But that year, Lion Salu accompanied us to practically the whole of the district. He was with us in the car. And when Dominic finally won in 97, he was with us for the entire campaign and for our victory that time. So I know that Lion Salu knows exactly what it is about Lions Clubs International Foundation. He's one of the biggest donors. His family are all MJFs and PMJFs, and he will do the best possible. Do I take that from you?
I will.
100%. Thank you, Lion Salu. Our club membership chairperson is Lion Milind. Lion Milind, can we have you inside? Stay here. You don't go anywhere far. You stay here. Lion Milind, you are somebody who has seen to membership in other clubs too. Maintaining that we need good members, we need members who will not just better the club but better Lionism in general. You will do that this year, assist your board to see that the members we draw in will be proper members who not only will serve Lions Club of Shorround but will serve Lionism and will serve the society all over. Will you do this?
I will.
Thank you so much, Milind. Thank you. Let me call on the club We don't have our second vice president and first vice president, who both are unfortunately not present here. So let me call on the treasurer, Lion Santosh Gaikwad. Lion Santosh is there? Oh yes. Lion Santosh, again, you are somebody who is repeating. As Daryl has said, you either made to repeat for one of two reasons. Either you do a very good job or you have done a really bad job and they want you to correct yourself. I know with you it is the first. Will you continue to carry on with your activities and see to it that this club's finances are maintained in the best manner possible? Thank you so much. Let me now call on again the continuing secretary, Lion Maria. She's already there. Lion Maria, you are somebody who we wanted as a region chairperson this year, but you decided no, you still want to continue as the secretary and you want to carry on with the job because you like doing it. Am I right? Thank you. And you are going to carry on in the same manner for the next year. Thank you. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like you to put your hands together for the continuing president now, Lion Utpal Chakravarti. Utpal, last year you were installed by Lion Ashok. He has given you a fantastic direction because the way you all have run this year has really shown that the person who inducted you or installed you last year did a perfect job. I am just carrying on. I am asking you to promise that you will continue to follow through on the direction given to you by Lion Ashok. Will you do this? Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, Lion ladies, it is my absolute pleasure to declare that the Board of Directors of Lions Club of Shorround for the year 21-22 is duly installed. Let's give them a big hand. Lion Utpal, I am now giving you your gavel. Your gavel is your symbol of authority. It is also to be used to bring decorum in a meeting if ever there is a little bit of uneasiness there. You have the right to do that. Also, now this is a small lesson I am giving you. This is used in the beginning when you are calling the meeting to order to get everybody's attention. So you bang it first and then call the meeting to order. And at the same system is followed when you are adjourning. You bang it first. People will tell you, no, you say I am calling this meeting to order and then bang it. It's not so. This is to raise the attention of the people. I know that you will use the gavel in the most judicious manner during the year because that is what you've done in the last year. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you Lion Utpal. I was given 20 minutes. I think in 15 I've done what I needed to do. I thank you all for being such a wonderful audience and for giving me a very, very patient hearing. Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you, MJF Lion Albeto, for what is coming up next from your speech. Thank you very much for encouraging the members, giving the boost to go ahead with Lionism, with more activities in the year 2021-22. And we have done it to your memory because you know each and every member.
So this is not an acceptance speech for the speech. This is just 2 lines accepting. So I'm very happy to be elected and installed for the second term as the president of Lions Club of Shorround. I humbly accept the responsibility to lead the club and work together as a team and meet with the objectives of our organization. I'm proud of my Lion members who have placed faith in me and extend support and cooperation to make every event and activity successful. The unique way our members serve is from heart, and in unison we believe in teamwork and that is our success. Thank you.
Tourism company, and other things we will tell you later on. But to release this, at the auspicious hands of our chief guest, may I request our chief guest to release this. Thank you, sir. Very nicely designed clock released at the hands of our chief guest. There is a very
Thank you, Ashok sir, for sharing memories of my father. Respected dignitaries on the dais, President Utpal, other dignitaries, my friend Milind, Salodar sir, सगळ्या चोंडेकारांक खबर आहा की लायन क्लब म्हणजे सालोदर क्लब, and secretary of this club, treasurer Santosh. It's very difficult to run a charitable trust for almost 3 decades. I think all it required is passion and dedication to serve the people. I therefore congratulate each and every lion here and other person who has contributed knowingly or unknowingly. We at Helping Hand Group, though we are just 1.5 year old, we started our journey during lockdown, where we used to give medicine to the senior citizen to their doorstep by giving information where about the groceries items are available, vegetables, and giving the information of what's going on. I think our motto is similar of both the groups, that to give better future to our generation to come, wherein they can live happily, peacefully. I like to suggest or request the president of Lion Club that somewhere down in the future, both the groups can do some activities in collaboration with each other, if all can. I once again wish a better future for this group, Lion Club, and by inviting on behalf of Helping Hand Group, I think you all have blessed our group Helping Hand to grow bigger and to do better things. With this all, I finish it up. Thank you. Thank you very much.
thank you, sir, for your very line, Goretti Rodriguez, to felicitate the club.
Good afternoon, friends. Presiding Officer, Lion Utpal Chakravarti, Chief Guest, Mr. Jaykrishna Khilbe, Installation Officer, our very own Second Vice District Governor, PMGF, Lion Alberto, Regional Chairperson, MGF, Lion Agnello Kosovo, dignitaries in the audience, and my dear friends in the cause of service. I would like to congratulate all the members for all the good work done in the year gone by, in spite of the pandemic. I now congratulate and wish the newly installed president and his team all the best for the year ahead. I extend warm greetings from Lions Club of Anjuna, Arpara, Nagwa, Para, and my home club of Kangulam. God bless you all. Thank you. Diogore.
Thank you, Lion Loyalty. Do Bare Guru is a very touching word. So, our company, आमची company, ते ऐकून खूप बरं दिसतं. हांवूय थोडी वचरा कोंकणी उलयतां. आमची मायभास आयकल्या उपरांत एक खूब बरें दिसता कित्याक कोंकणीन आमी जल्मान आयिल्ले मनीस आनी जी तेन्ना कोंकणी फुडें वता आनी स्मुथली वता आनी जे उलोवपान जे मनान धरपा सारकीं उतरां आसा तातूंतले एक उतरें म्हणल्यार देव बरें करूं. थँक्यू लायन ऑलरेडी. आमचे मदीं आसा आमचो ओन मेंबर. तो सदांच फुडें कसलेंय कामाक तो केन्नाच आपूण आरसी झेडसी प्रेसिडेंट सेक्रेटरी हें कांयच मानिना. कसलेंय काम केलें की आपूण एक लावाचो मेंबर. काल पासून तो सांगचो हांगा साकेसून हांगा स्पेशल गाडी घेवन आयलो हो सगळें अरेंजमेंट करून हांगासून पडटलो. तेन्ना आमकां च्या आनी बरे सामोसाय बी खावपाक दिल्ले. असो आमचो रिजन चेअरपर्सन आमकां मेळिल्लो आसा. None other than MJF Lion Agnello da Silva, very active and very enthusiastic. May I request Lion Agnello to felicitate the Lions Club of Sudan.
Worthy Presiding Officer, Lion Club Chakravarti, dignitaries on the head table, fellow Lions, ladies and gentlemen. I did not felicitate this club because this is my own club. I felicitate them every day because I pray for every member every day. What else can I give them? It's a blessing. For they are so wonderful and so dynamic. When we come together, it's like a family. And every meeting is so enjoyable and so memorable that we long for the next meeting. It has created a heart-touching relationship which can never be broken unless by death. Ladies and gentlemen, this club has been wonderful. They have been doing services even in the pandemic, and as Lion Milind said, or Lion Earl also said, the pandemic has not stopped the Lions. Instead, the Lions have flourished, not to build their own pockets, but instead fill the pockets of those who are in need, those who are in trouble. Even in this time when floods came, Lions are rushing about here and there, not worrying about their own health. Frankly, they have been frontline warriors, frontline workers. They need to be honored, but Lions are not doing any work for their honor. But really, I am here to praise my own club and thank every member and their family members. Because if not for the support of their families, that is their wife and their children, the club will never survive. Wonderful club, wonderful members. We have a family relationship. You could have called it blood relations, but it is, I can say, more than spiritual relationship we have. Because we serve with one mind, one heart. Service from the heart is the real meaning which our international president and Douglas Alexander gives. I pray that this unity continues and this heart-touching involvement towards the community continues. Although we don't have much facilities or much opportunities to serve the needy, but we do somewhere and somehow we find out those people who are in trouble and we reach out. At the same time, while I felicitate my club, I want to thank, it's not my job to thank everybody, but still I'm so grateful to all the members who have come from other clubs. They show their love and affection. Thank you and God bless.
Thank you, Lion Agnello, for all your wishes and the blessings to our club. We have got very good my dignitaries coming from different clubs. So I am keeping the floor open if anyone wants to come and felicitate the club.
The second Bellini, President and Presiding Officer, Lion Utpal. The chief guest for today's function, Sri Tilve. The installing officer and from our neighboring club, from Lions Club of Mandolin, Progressive Melvin Jones Fellow, Lion Earl Brito, other dignitaries on the dais, in the audience, and my dear friends. On Friendship Day, I bring warm felicitations from the youngest club in the district of 317B. I am Lion Viren Pereira from Lions Club of Kalangut Coastal, and I bring warm felicitations from all our 39 new members, 50 new members. 50 new members I have added to Lionism and 5 old members transferred. With the permission of the presiding officer and the MC, I will take 2 minutes to tell you what real Lionism is about. Here is a gentleman, Lion Agnet, who is an epitome of Lionism. And I also thank this Lions Club of Chotan, by the way, for refusing us, because it strengthened our resolve. I know this chapter, this club, stands by a common resolution which you all took. So respect. I respect that. Your rejection strengthened our resolve in forming this new club. And I come specially to thank Lion Agnet. There is a lot of fake Lionism going around. Here, a true lion who believes in what is written there. This poster right here. When you're strong, you need to lift up others, not put them down. In our club, we have strong past district governors who put us down, who called us names. This is not true Lionism. True Lionism is what Lions Club of Chotan is. Hardcore lions, strong lions, who pull up the wheel, who support us. Today we have added 50 new members, and it's only the beginning. Picture abhi baki hai mere dost. We will cross 1 century. And we will strengthen the resolve of Lionism. When our own neighbor will be district governor in 2 years from now, we will be 100 strong clubs. We have that resolve. Having said that, on Friendship Day, I will end my felicitation by once again wishing the incoming and outgoing president all the best. And you will always have a friend in Lions Club of Kalangut Coastal. Thank you.
Thank you, Lion Viren Pereira from Lions Club of Kalangut Coastal. Very nicely appreciated club. We wish you all the best for your century. And ups and downs are the part of our life. And Lions will continue with all these things. Yes, sir.
Good afternoon to all. Presiding Officer, Lion Utpal Chakravarti, Zoning Officer, Second BDG, PMJF Lion Alfredo, Chief Guest of today's function, Shri Jai Krishna Tirve, RC, ZC, all the PST members of various clubs, and my fellow Lions. Today, on behalf of Lions Club of Mapsa, I am Lion Sudesh Kochrekar, bring warm felicitation to the president of this club and his team, Lion Utpal Chakravarti. Chakravarti means an empire who conquers all the neighboring nations and rules. Today, our Chakravarti is ruling this club the second time. There are 2 reasons which are said. One reason is definitely there because of his good job he has done last year, and another is to complete the remaining task which was held due to pandemic situation. So on behalf of my club, I extend warm greetings, my best compliments to him and his team. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Head of Lions Club of Mapsa, Lion Sudesh Kochrekar, for your best wishes and encouraging words. it's 1-5. Yeah, as per this, we have to finish by 1:50. So, any other member would like to say? Yes, Karan.
2 minutes.
Presiding officer, Lion Utpal Chakravarti, all the dignitaries on the head table, in the audience and friends. I bring warm felicitations from my own club, Lions Club of Sakli, to this wonderful club. Lion Agnolo, who is admired so much, was a member of our club, and he is a very good citizen from our Sakli. And whenever I come here, I remember the days we have spent together, and we are equally doing it even today. Lion Kocharekar said, regarding name of our Lion Utpal Chakravarti. Chakravarti is the emperor, and last year Utpal has conquered this side, and now his regenture has already gone the other side of the sea, and in that way he has proved his name. Thank you very much. I bring warm felicitations and thank you one and all.
Thank you, Lion Vinod Gadgati, for your nice appreciation to our club. There is one special item on this agenda which is not added. As I said, release of this was not there. At the same time, I didn't speak anything about this gift. So may I request our Salu, because this is his memento, which he is going to present it to our chief guest and the inspection officer later. But on this, he has to say something. So I give 2 minutes to Salu, keeping in mind 5:15 is our time. For my guest, bring those two.
I want to say in a few seconds at least. So I will not say Utpal Chakravarti and second by district all this I will avoid saying. Presiding officer, Lion Utpal, my very close friend, my loving friend, Lion Earl, Tilve, Agnel, also chairperson, fellow Lion, ladies and gentlemen. I have no official Lions Club talk to you here, but this has happened at a time. This is happening at a time which is very close to some important occasions in my life. And the first one is that I am a businessman, started my business, and on the 18th of this month, August, I am completing 50 years, successful years. I have to honor and I have to give some memento to all those who are associated with me in my business. All my workers, I have a total of, I thought I would give them something to remember, and that they are not less than 300 of them. And I have, I don't want to give that card. Okay. So I thought of giving a memento. First, this is an opportunity to earn, and this is a clock which he will, which people will see, or my friends will see in the house as soon as he enters the house. This is a timing, a clock with my monogram, and also 50 years. And then I have a small card. I thought of giving this to all. I am giving this to one of these two, our chief guest and our installation officer. I mainly thought of because of my installation officer, and I said, our chief guest will say, I'm the chief guest, and you are giving me to installation officer. I don't deserve anything. So I decided to give two. And then my Lion friends will say, we are your friends, we always meet, and nothing for us. Yes, my dear friends, we will have one gathering in a few days' time, an appropriate day when there is pandemic is not there. We will take it a month or so, and you will get one memento as a remembrance
but as a token of my 50 years of service, it is also service, I render service, I manufacture weighing scale and I sell weighing scales. So it will be nice for you to hear about this business that started 50 years ago on the 18th of August. Incidentally, it was not the day incidentally it happened. Incidentally, it happened on the 18th of August. It's the important day in my village, a big feast of St. Roch. I had not chosen it, but it happened on that day. We got the license to work from that day onward in 1971. And it was not easy. Now my family members in the past were in business. And when I told my mother that I am leaving my job, I had good big jobs. I had left one job, went for a better one, left that one, left for second, third one. Then I told my mother I'm leaving this job and I'm going for business. But my mother was so very upset when I told her that I'm leaving my business, I mean my job, third job, I'm going to start my business. How much money do you have? I said, I've got 400 rupees, my retiring benefits from the last job. And you want to start business with 400 rupees? Yes. I'll do it, don't worry. I will be successful. I have the full confidence in me. And then she kept quiet. Now why she didn't want me to do business? She used to live in this village, and of course, some of her later years were to Pune. And at that time, mining in Goa had just started. So everybody was getting attracted towards buying trucks or doing something. Like my friend, he's got, of course, not that time, he's a very successful businessman. But that time they were trying to do something in the mining and get money. So he, one of my relatives, happened to be my mother's relative, decided to go in for a truck, buy a truck. But he had no money like me. So he thought, he went to all the relatives, if you don't have, I want some money, if you don't have money, give me a gold, I'll pledge it, and I'll get some money. And so on. He collected the money that were required to pay the initial money amount for the truck. A few months passed off, and he was not successful. He was not able to get the pledged gold back. And my mother's gold was also there. Doesn't have that, forget that. So he paid all the relatives. Everybody was upset. They used to come to him and say, please give my gold, please give my gold. And my mother remembered that. Second thing is that there was another man who had some money, about 10,000-12,000 rupees with it. At that time, 12,000 rupees was a very big amount. 1970. So what that gentleman did with that little money he had, he was from Goa only, my neighborhood, brought a few fowls, a few pigs, and started rearing them. After some time, the fowls went away, the pigs ran away, and nothing was left, and he could do nothing. He lost all the 7,000-8,000. This was, but my mother knew. People in that time were called negotiants. Businessmen were called negotiants. Baba, Uncle Kristam, negotiant called Nire Baba, to study that time. To watch the rega play, the dog land, to have paid a fail that with them. To go, ha, but the Gauta, Zutta, Product, Puramka, and to put out the day of the land. My Azana, the good time.
On being elected as our second Vice District Governor and express our support to him. We thank you, sir, for installing our 31st Board of Directors in the most befitting manner. To conclude, I would like to thank our former Region Chairperson and today's Project Chairperson, Lion Milind Mahale, for all the arrangement of this event and for comparing the event in the most systematic manner. Following the adjournment, we request all of you to join for the fellowship and lunch. Thank you once again.
Thank you, Treasurer Lion. Santosh, I always remember when it comes to Treasurer, you are having a very good permanent treasurer for this club, very own member, husband of our Lion Eugene was, his late Lion Eugene was today. But we always remember him because he has kept this account so systematically active, these accounts, administrative accounts, repair of house, this and that, everything was so systematic last more than 10 years. And same has been carried out by our Santosh Gaikwad. We are very proud of him. We have learned a lot from Lion Eugene and he has taken it over for his 2 years. Thank you very much. So let's rise up for the national anthem.